Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am back to do a weekly setup in my work planner. I mentioned in the previous video that I took it out of the Moterm cover. I will be making a cutting mat Dollar Tree cover for this. I just like the smaller, less bulkiness of it right now. Of course, that could change in the future. Let's move on to the week of the 10th through the 16th. And then we can set this aside. Whoops. Okay. And then I've pulled washi. I didn't use washi in my previous spread, but I did pull some washi this time. This is an older washi that I have from Simply Gilded. Both of these are Simply Gilded, but I don't know if you can see. This one has started to yellow. It looks aged compared to the bows, but I may use some of those. And then I have a variety of stickers from Isis Ella Jewels because I want to pull different little stickers from each sheet. So I have that to work with. And I think my focal point sticker will be this Lily sticker. I was torn between the two, but I think I'm going to go with this one. So this is going to be somewhat of a neutral spread. Now, how do I want this to work? I kind of want her, I'm going to put her over here. I think that would be best. So I'm going to do her there. And I'm going to use this. I've been holding on to these for a while. This is Deeply Rooted. I'm going to use her here. And then, do I want to use her? I wasn't going to use her. Let's see. Let me try another one before I go to her. Let's use this one over here. And I'm going to use this. It says, what is coming is better than what is gone. Nope, let's put it up here. And then I guess I can use her and just move her up some. I know she's kind of tilted. Then this one says Bloom. I don't really want it to say anything, so I'm going to just trim that off. And then use it up here. There. And then this little moon chandelier. Do these have a specific name? I see them a lot, but I don't know that they have a name. Oops. I hate when that happens. So if it has a specific name, can you let me know in the comments? Let's see if we can repair that. All right, and then from this one, I want to use the butterflies. I don't know, maybe I don't want to use that one. I think I might put something down there for this one to sit on. Let's look at the boxes real quick. Let's see if there's anything I want to use from the rest of these notes so I can put these away. This one is bugging me because of the way I got it tilted. But I don't think I can get it back. Nope. And I don't want to take the dryer out. So I'll leave it. Let's see. What boxes do I have? Let's see. Let's use one of these. Let's see what I can do with these. Gonna put this one, actually jump down on the paper. I wasn't ready, but I guess I'm gonna have to leave it. So there. I feel like I need to put some black boxes, but I don't know. This is not quite what I envisioned it to be. Let's see. Let's use this one. And then let's take this butterfly. That butterfly is kind of big. I'm gonna do that. Not sure why, but I feel like I want to use this. Let's put it there. Okay. Now let's check the script stickers. I'm gonna do goals, work, and the last today. So I'm glad I didn't do the black boxes, because the goal sticker and the work sticker and today sticker are good for bringing in the black to accent the other piece, the other black pieces, I guess you would say. Let's do this here. Okay, now let's see. Do I need to accent with this moon washi? I feel like I do. Let's use the thin one. I rarely use these thin washies, but let's do it. And I'm only going to put it in like a few places. This is not a perforated washi, but I'm going to use it like one, kind of, if I can, without ripping the paper, but I can't. It's extra sticky too. Yeah, it's messing up my paper. So I'm gonna have to be careful with the tape because it's super duper sticky. I think this was like a secondhand tape, so it wasn't quite right when I got it initially anyway. I think I'm gonna call that good for that. Let's see, do I want to put something at the top? It does feel a little naked. Let's see what else I have. I think I'm gonna use this. I think this is Capital Chic Designs via Michaels. So let's do it. Okay. I don't know how I feel about it, but I think I'm gonna stop there. And let's put this back together. I mean, it's okay. All right, let me know what you think in the comments below. I think it's okay. And I did get to put a little washi to use. It's kind of neutral. She's the focal point, and I feel like I didn't bring enough of her color in, but maybe I can achieve that with the pen that I used. But that is it. That is the week of the 10th through the 16th in my work planner, which is a DIY planner. I used a little moon washi from Simply Gilded. The gold washi is from Capital Chic Designs. The deco stickers are Isis Ella Jewels. I do have a discount code for Isis Ella Jewels. It will be in the description box below. The inserts, the boxes, and the scripts are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons depending on your level of membership. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.